Hey Discord, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is an inflatable air seat cushion. And for the one that we got here is from the brand called Fit King. So basically for this product here, you can definitely put it onto any chair or car seat or whatever to give you guys that inflatable option and also kind of like a massage as well. So see right here, they mentioned how the product actually has two different modes on here. They provide guys skin soft tissue protection. The product is definitely rechargeable. But first, let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you can see this is what actually looks like inside. So this is basically the seat cushion option. Let me actually open up first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this actually looks right here. So definitely right off the bat, when you guys put material on here, it feels really nice and really soft. It definitely has that mesh material on here that's actually breathable. So if you guys sweat a lot, that won't be an issue. And basically, you can see right here, we do have the cable for you to plug in the remote. And inside right here, they do give you guys a slot to actually put the remote inside to keep it all organized. And definitely for this cover right here, they do have a zipper for you guys to actually open up and actually wash it if you guys want to. So right here is the zipper. If I open up, you can see that's what actually looks like inside. So definitely have the inflatable option inside to give you guys that air cushion when you guys actually use it. And basically once you guys finish washing the product, either hand washing or machine washing it, you don't want to throw the machine to dry it. You basically want to let it air dry. And when I turn the back part right here, they do have like a non-slip material as well. So once you guys put it onto the chair, it won't keep moving around with the material in the back. So this is basically what the product looks right here. There is another box inside with a remote control, I'm assuming, and probably some charging cable. But let's take it out. Alright, so see inside they provide guys two boxes. Let me just open both of them to show you guys what's included inside. Alright, so for the first box right here, they provide you guys a charging cable. So definitely want to plug it in to actually recharge it. And then for the other one right here, they basically provide you guys remote control. So let's take it out. This is basically what the product looks like. So we do have the brand logo on top. And then we do have the power button right here. We do have the mode button, the intensity button, and also an auto massage option on here as well. And they do have the indicator light to show you guys which one you guys are using. And then this is basically what the bottom part looks like. So you definitely have two slots for you guys to plug in. So one for recharging and one for the air seat cushion. So basically when you guys are ready to use it, you basically want to press the power button right here to activate it. And when you see I actually press it right here, it basically activates the product. So definitely for the power right here, you guys can use it wireless. So if I don't change the different mode on here, you guys want to press it one time. And that changes the different mode. If you guys press the button right here, it changes the different intensity level. If you guys press this button right here, that basically turns on the automatic massage mode. And when you're done, you guys can press and hold this button right here. And that turns it off. So that is basically everything that's on the product here. Let me just go plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge it and also show you guys how to use the product. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here I do have the product all set up. Before I actually test it out, I do want to show you guys how to charge it first. So basically I'm going to plug in the bottom part right here. And once you guys plug it in, you can see there's an indicator right here to show you guys that it is charging. And definitely when the product is charging, if you guys want to turn it on, you guys can definitely turn it on when you guys are still charging as well. So definitely give you guys the option to use it wireless or corded as well. And I definitely love how they actually give you guys this little compartment right here. So that way you can put the remote on here and keep it all organized. So I'm actually turn it off first so I can get on and just test it out to see how it feels. Alright, so we just turned it off. And definitely when you guys feel on here, you can definitely feel the material on here feels really nice. But I'm actually hop on and test it out and see how it feels. So you can see when I actually hop on right here, it actually feels pretty nice. It definitely has like that non-slip material on the bottom to prevent it from moving around. But let's turn it on first. Alright, so the first mode that we got right here is the home mode. And basically have low intensity level on here. So I don't really feel anything right now, so I'm increasing the intensity level on here. I think all it does is increase the air cushion on here to give you guys a much more comfortable feeling when you guys sit on here. Let me just change the different mode on here. And just turn on the pressure to high. So all I'm basically feeling now is actually air cushion in the bottom. It's actually increasing and turning off, increasing and turning off. So it's not much of a massage on here, but definitely give you guys that cushion and support. But that is basically everything that's on the product here in terms of how to use it and what it looks like. Definitely really cool how to give you guys the option to use it wireless or corded as well. Alright, welcome back guys. So next quick test, the product definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. I definitely love the option of how the product can be used wireless, so that way you can use it basically anywhere and you don't have to worry about having cable plugged in all the time and dragging cable all over the place, which is definitely really convenient. And especially since so many people are actually working from home, having one of these products is actually really convenient, so that way your butt won't hurt after sitting all day on your computer or whatever. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Now the unboxing and testing product, now the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.